Ebusama wakwa by Found Brag and Sam TVGH. Message like, comment, subscribing, turn your notification also so that anytime I post a video, bit we Usambe Kebi. Ebusama for Boku for asma Mr. Mbebi sa Sembi. Now first, Asem no say. Now the first statement in say. In the run-up to the election 2024, campaign now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and say, when NDC is in power, Boku is peaceful. Now, Boku conflict always surfaces when MPP is in power. Again, some NDC elements, a campaign can say, Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, and a finance, and I say, fuel Boku conflict. No? In fact, in the first year, last year, of the return of the NDC, they made sure say, radio bakubia, omu, Tinguma FM, omu feel say, pro MPP, they shut it down. But Mibisa say, after doing all these, has the conflict stopped? Has the Boku conflict ended? Now, if the Boku conflict has not ended, why are we not hearing much about it these days? Banye no ponti na mabaha. The reason for my coming here and say, Parliament echo on recess, almost a week ni. Now, I think it's even over a week, almost 2 weeks in a Parliament echo recess. Boku foresee all MPs are going back to their constituencies. Omehu say Afenyo Markin echo Winiba. Intim Fojo echo ni constituency. Kojo Pon Kruma went to Ofuasi Irebi. Agboja echo Adakulu. And so on and so forth. But Mahama Yariga oye majority leader. Majority leader Mahama Yariga. Boku for say onyamba ne kromie. Mahama Yariga adani MP at large. And you now say NPP or power, NDC or power, Boku is peaceful. So why are you afraid of going to Boku? Why are you afraid of going to spend time with your constituents in Boku? Mahama Yariga is a question you must answer. Because Boku should be, NDC is in power, so Boku should be peaceful. Per mu analogy, per mu campaign promises, and per mu campaign and kind of say propaganda mu yeah. And the Parliament has been on recess for over 2 weeks. And some of you are afraid of going back to your constituencies. We will force all of you to go back to your constituencies. Until one constituency bimo, especially for the NDC constituencies. And for almost 2 weeks, our Parliament echo on recess. Your MP has not come back to the constituency to render account for what he has done so far, what he has lobbied for so far. Chale, tag your more comment section, and let's put pressure on them to return to the constituencies. If you both think, say, you can deceive people, get their votes, and then after they voted for you, you just go and stay in Accra. Whether recess or not, you are still in Accra. Oh, yeah, then Accra. Mumubi. From Accra straight to outside the country and back to Accra. But when it is time for election, you know how to go to a constituency to go and campaign. You better give me now comment section. And we are going to mention your names. Are they? Go to your constituency and go and account to them.
For free. Because almost over 20 years, And then also baby 24-hour economy marketer. You don't need to go to places or more developing kakra. Komamu constituencies na ehia buburo ebuo asasi yirantam da hono munsi market no musi wia mama certain factories bi ana manufacturing company bi a best supply market na mankofo ani aka ho. And then Accra ni Kumasi are congested. Adentia because people move from the top and come and do kayaye and the track pushes. Now the question you busa ni say NDC over 180 MPs na mwanyano duma ben and a constituency ni mudidi wo ho. Na se bin prebiasa ke ka MPs asem kra na ma ayaliga enso frɛ no ho MP obi a wodi Zoom and I would share with constituency. You can't MP so on solid magica, na mahama ayaliga ajisika and so won't mean solve problem or and to share Sanyama when you know, of course, one who be sound say, as so 1.5 and I say 18 months here, yet a dear pan, a sebi previous super majority a year, a power, a gun of what the man NDC for a dear no dia. Many fellas are reho. Na wo sole na wutie journalist for awudi for inconsistency uncultured unprincipled people omumu so omuko NDC for constituency akope MP akodi na de ba ko ebe yam ya nwanwa wo Ghana ne se gomuafo party me to Obama Captain Smart ko ye MP ahun. The way a nipatimi se nipatimi se abrabo, nipatimi se womano, etimi fre both MPP ni NDC se ye nyina ye nkwasiafo ye bola enye party ye se nipa wodo ho kodwan ensese wubam na die wo koginam akope MP edi. Oh Africa for pa jama nyame time no yana na form pai ni akose ho no. Yana na form timi pai ni ahye wo na nyame akata so na me gidi say ya before because ya ne no kura bonsa ho na kasi ya ne no kura monsa ho a me a prophet for mo see MPP for adimi enya me problem a prophet for mo see MPP for ni nyansa enya me problem na prophet a obi na no ka say obi obeto Obama MPP in 2028 obedome no na say MPP for so di na tema obedome Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia sa ozu empower kwasia Ozu empire kwasia dumeme na miwu na misumidru asamadu amekwa akoye wusini ho because minim say wo nko heaven enti ba bia mekwa akoli you na abeba abetume kwasia panyini kura yeti media na woje obia pesu o trendy a wodi MPP na trendy obia pesu o trendy a wodi Bawumia na trendy Bawumia nso amoka na asem won kasa minim baby Bawumia wakasada hwe a Christopher di omo birthday omo invite Bawumia obeko a Muslim di omo birthday omo invite Bawumia obeko a Christopher ya fan raise omo solidan omo invite Bawumia obeko okoso onfane sapan enti munyame ben ene wotena omo kremoni edi ni sika sisi na solidan kremoni edi ni sika abua na sofo kremoni ene na sofo to nsadidi no owia obeka chem se kremoni ntimi nye leader muni munyame nyina mu yakokonsafo Muni munyame no mo ya akokonsafo ene ne mahu so owusu bempa ni nyame wo mo ya akokonsafo first class eya krokro di John wo mo ye eya settings because se unyankopon ni timi di boni bi acha according to wo nyankopon timi di boni bi acha obi wusi moja wo ne nsa wo sunfunu adaka wo rifunu wo yese nyame atimi de ne boni acha ne so akomapa Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia akofa po abese ne dem wasizi puso wa manipa mfashe pomfaso ana mpate egu epumuno wasizi puso wa mpate ngum ana nyame so wa mfancha no wonka no kure na mepese meka na woti ase se MPP fo kakra bi na anu omanya problema wo mu na obeti menya tumi wo muso na ye ani asefo ne ya nanamo untimi nya tumi wo yaso because ye ne uni asem ye ma wa sorry na ube jina kaze omo ya MPP fo nyina ya nkwasiafo na ombedi watema obedome Bawumia na Bawumia ne yadome na nkotimi ya vice president se wuni ma yakọ osoro ahimama Bawumia ewo mfaso osin because on the otima bedi vice president otima yiye niema waye policies waye mpuntuduma ama bia so wokura wo church member so enti na me recognize ne sen yanu ani sen na ami kura yetimi tweka de bia sofo baako wunya obi ne ne ko de bia sofo wo hwe no wa sore no obi ante wonka na eba fom a na wo de wontoko abesan ba umia wa wanu muto usi ba umia ba ho be pa wa chew e wo archbishop anim e ma wudi tum enne wa sa begina say you will deal with MPP senior fellas wunim de ntia dampare mafia ayi owusu bempa no
Amintie. Catch me.
TB Joshua mfiri nyame no ohu ni so ye beast that time so dampare ni Professor Miss and esofu kese pa ni TB Joshua and ombufu na dane ntokwa wo krom ha e wona dampare bo ni to ho se akwa we minyana mem mafia no enti wo ma na dia grada eseti papa we up na e wona me hu so owu so onye smart so sunu wo tumi a enka na dia agrada ya no enko be finish agrada wo sunsumu papa no oni hwe so bibia na enka no obetima finish agrada e wo sunsum ko mfa nko hunamani ana hunamani na wo de koya no MPP ni bia no opesu okun o ye kun a ye nya hwe enti mfa nche wo trim na MPP fo opesu yoku
Yeah, I'm on for network.
No, Dr. Muhammad Wamiao, were a peaceful person. In fact, make ready and Miss Jesus Christ office. Because one really solve be a word in you. One need solve be any problem. Akrana Abesiano, Penina Abesiano, what the respect be mount. Baby program be on Bekobia was sorry, no abunimu, atia sofono, still money so, mo pesa ba umia oyede. Mini amedema nusino. The person can say MPP for more be a mosheku. And Archbishop or see a mompire, no suono, and nane, ya mompire, no suono, kamika be a film, arc, obwa, emfa, up a two pre, I, emfa, opa boton so said ye, up a two pre, emfa, nyankopo on yanedumasa, a brony bayenti. Akufu ano ne ba omia de ya mfa mpa ibo anta o mati on se wuntimi mie wa no nkantre wadamfo John Bosco sa John Bosco ye bibi na gala se ni nya on se wuntimi nka mini afelis me da se
Aguni. Okay, so the last member
you be any panel and from so who can a demon sound draw more be a demon winning wa ani bre or time ahoya pesemen kuminya anya me candidate no ani nyina ka bom na adane dimo kase abetra wo mu ana wo hu de wo ye na wo de kom ana wo di wo politu wa asole ma no eti de obeka bia wo se na sen omuja asole no because hu no ana wo mu first no afiri mu wo peso ko renew amfa me say odifo kableteria ebedwa na num sa akokum yi odwan ade se from na ni ba na ho soro no wokọ ediwa wo se wo ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ma president ye de ye mo mpa yentia obi awrade wo na nipa shebre kutaw ye nipa ye ni hu ayi na so obi se o ma ye candidate no o ba na nyeso no obedi sika bi da se o man no na so obe ye o man ni ye ahye o man no se no mutimi ko Dubai o mutimi ko Arab country akoda dwodwo mo ho ana o mo na ho nkro no na so mo se o mo ma ebi ma ye ha o mo ye maboyefo awrade pre o mo free asase so asa na 2028 adu ni o wo so ye Nyankopon because Isaiah ese afia ohine Yeshua ewu ye no ana ono Isaiah ohu nyame anumunyam obi a watre Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ani na Ghana for yesu ye ni dani bi na akwonfo ababedi yeso awrade meda asese watie me so mempaibo e yesu dim amen adwuma na dio
amen na Archbishop gidi de ba mi na membu do abet no nya ne yaw
dabi aduane kai Kings chapter 7 verse 7 hona wose wo ani be hu se aduane na baba wo ni bi wose wey se ayifo nyina ka bomu a akura ne de ayi ba antimi nya awose abofo nyina kofra enuane kura ba aduane timi mu so ɔsɛ okay ne wani bɛ hu aso nya dai eti wei tama ebe ya na ne kim no mo wu ɛna ma sate no ma ka se ma fi aka sɛ
was punished, right? Moses Crow was punished.
Me ka che ma fi aka wu ɔza sate mo de mo wa ha ye je nyame ya de che no yankasa
Mo da wonu kodi me pena ba ka
nyame ya de che ma ka che mo ye state January na me se nyame no so na kasa
ma wakati ni mo
what
da wonu bisa e da no the ministry so hospital ya me pena ba ka wase
ma wakati ni mo mpado no njana la onye mpa e bo anso na mo mpa e no nko vie